Hey everyone, super excited to have you here on my channel. Today we are diving into System.io, exploring all its features and seeing how it stacks up against all other all-in-one marketing platform. If you're wondering how System.io can boost your online marketing, stay tuned. Let's get started and see if System.io is the right tool for your business. Alright, so first thing when you log into your dashboard, this is my free account by the way. First thing you'll notice is you actually get everything they advertise in your free plan. So you get the context, your funnels, you can actually make sales funnels, squeeze page, emails, blogs, automation here for the email marketing, products, you can actually sell physical products, you can actually create coupons, discount or and sales. You can actually have your own affiliate program. If you are interested in sign up, I officially have my affiliate link at the in the description. Click on the link and sign up for whatever accounts you choose to. The first thing we look at is funnels. So you just click on the create and you can create a funnel depending on what you want the funnels to be. And then let us look at the legendary funnel. Then you can just edit the page. And just like all the other rest of the funnel builders that you have dealt with, it has the section, rows, the text head, input field, and the button. And here is where you have all of this, and you can just drag and drop to wherever you want, and you can delete it if you don't want it. And the other thing I really liked about is they have, if you do something and you don't like it, you can undo that, which is where I really like it. And then they have the form input button, checkout box, pretty much everything you can think of it to make a sales funnel, right? And then you have the settings, and then you can change the fonts, you can change the styles, the size, the heading, all that. The other things I really like is they have the desktop version and they have the mobile version, and then you can just pick and choose what you want on the mobile, or you want the same one, or how does it look in the mobile. So that's pretty straightforward of building a sales funnel, and they do provide these templates for you that you can actually download the pre-made template and do and customize to your prompts. The other thing you can do is they also have the automation rules, the A/B test, stats, lead, sales, deadline setting, everything you can do it. And this is and you can create all of that under one software. The next thing we look at is you want to send an email, so you can send an email, create an email for when somebody logs into your funnels and all that. It's straightforward, but I'll talk more about when we look at the automation rules. The next thing you look at is blogging. Now, this is good for the people who are just getting started into the blogging, who don't have their main system, blogging on WordPress. By the way, I do have my own blog on WordPress. It's called Utilize Your Business, just like this channel. Now, if you look at the blogging, all you do is click on the create. Now you can give a name, domain. If you have your own customized domain, you can all set up here. And then they have all the different templates that you can pre-made templates. Now what you can do is you can preview. So let's preview this. It tells you exactly what it is, and then you can customize to what you want it. So let's look at the one that I started playing around with, and once you click on it, you have all these different posts. You have pages, categories. Those of you who are familiar with WordPress are familiar with this. So, and then you can change the settings. You can customize to whatever you want it. For the SEO, and in the post, when you go in the post, you can actually go in there and edit the post, and it tells you, It's pretty straightforward, just like the editor in WordPress. So you can, what you can do is you can go and drop it down, and then you can write the text that you wanted. And you can also make changes to the text, the image, media. Pretty impressive to what you get of building blog. And then you can also, they also have the blocks for that you can actually put in your pricing plan. They have a pre-built that you can just drop it in. And let's see this one right here. So this is where they have it, right? And then you can customize to whatever you want to do it. So right here where they dropped it, to customize the blog layout too. You can also customize the post and the blog layout too, and the view, and look at the blog setup. Let's look at the automation. Those of you who work with the email marketing, automation is really good. So let's look at what you need to do is with create, and you need to connect it to your sales funnel, your all different sales funnels you have it, wherever the emails are coming from. And then what you can do is you can press and you add it. When they add it, you can add the tags, you can funnel step, blog to help you out to categorize your email list. And then you can also do the action where you can click, and what you want to do is you can subscribe it to a campaign or add a tag, remove a tag, and send an email. So that's for the automation rules. And the workflow is those of you who are familiar with different email marketing software such as ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, the one that I'm using it. They have these workflows so that you can do it. So this one you can, and it's pretty good that you get this with a free account. So you create your first trigger, the free account, and what actions you like, delay, for the period, action. You can click on it, choose an action, apply a tag, and once you apply a tag, then you can just click on it. You can also do the split test, based on the personal segments, such as tags, or did they click the email, or where the person is coming from, and you can send different emails to it. So this is how it's splits up pretty good. And then you can go on and on. And the next thing you can do is the products. You can actually sell products, or you can create let's click on coupon. This is the one I get. So what you can do is create coupon. You can give a name. When I'm filming this, Halloween is coming pretty soon, so I just create for the Halloween, or you can create for Black Friday. So I create Black Friday, right? 2023. You can do coupon code, whatever you want to do. Black Friday 2023. What sort of discount you want, a fixed amount or a percentage, and I'll do 25%. You can also do the expiry date, when you want to do it, and limit the use of how many you want it. And once it's done, you get a code. You can actually copy it, and you can actually send it to the email, or you can put it in your funnel, right, and make it use of it. The other thing you like is you can actually create online courses. So you can click on add new course, where you have a title, instructor, description. And what I really like is they're similar to all the other platforms that on Katra or on ClickFunnels. Their courses, setting up courses, pretty good. You can you can use different themes if you want it, and what sort of font you want it. You can actually upload your own picture if it's your own course. You can also create communities for all in the same thing. The next thing is the sales. You can also have your own affiliate program. Mayo does that for you. So what you can do is you can create the affiliate settings. You can set it up to how you want it. It's pretty simple. You can profile account, my plan, payment gateway. So you can how you're going to pay them out. You can do that, and it's pretty straightforward to do that. Now, what I'm going to do this video is all about, you know, give you a general overview on the system IO, and I'm going to be pretty much doing a series on, you know, how to do this in-depth series of how actually to connect and make this funnel, or how actually do the blogs, automation settings and all that. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are interested in to find out more about system IO, how to use them in depth look at it. Now that we looked at all the features that system IO does it, now let's look at how well it does, what other people are thinking about it, and how well it does compared to the other platforms. The first thing you can do is you can actually test out the speed. You know, the blogs that we created and the sales funnels we created it. Let's test it out the speed and see how it is. So let's look at the funnel. Let's just look at the speed of the different the sales funnels that we created with the system IO and also the blog, and see how it stands out. So the first thing is the sales funnel that I created with the system IO. So this is a test on the sales funnel that I created with system.io, and the performance grade is A. It is pretty good with 97% and the structure 98%, right? So now let's look at the blog and see how it is. Let's look at the speed and see how exactly the speed is for the blogs. If you're going to be creating blogs on the system.io. Okay, so the blogs, they're also getting A, 92%, 95 structure, and tells you exactly how quickly it fully loaded in. Okay, so the next thing we look at is this Trustpilot, what other people are thinking about, are giving thinking about review on system IO. They have used it. So far, they're about roughly more than 2,700, and people have given 4.8. It's pretty good amount of reviews they have it. It's excellent, and if you look at it, most people have given 92% 5-star. Now the next thing we look at it, the different plans the system IO offers, and which one makes sense for you when you want to start with system IO. Okay, so system IO, as I mentioned earlier in the video, has free plan, free forever, so you don't pay anything, no credit card, nothing. It's right. And then there's a startup plan with $27, webinar is $47, and unlimited is $97. It's pretty good compared to what other softwares are charging it for the plan. Now let's look at what exactly you get in the free plan and other plans. So there's limit on contacts, the number of email subscriber, email send, unlimited, sales funnel, you can only have 3, blogs, you can have 1. Then you have the communities 1, then you can have the automation rules, it's only 1, the workflows 1, tags, email campaign, 1-click order bump, pretty much everything you can have it with the free plan. That is pretty good for the person who is just starting out or just want to test the system IO, and you can test it out pretty easy with the free trial. Now, if you want to go further and you want to have more than more than 3 sales funnels, or you want to have more than 1 automations and all that, you can move up to the starter plan. And those are people who are wanting to have webinar Yes, the webinar, you can do that with System.io. You can go to $47 per month, which is pretty good. And unlimited is for the people who have a large business and want to move it to that. The good thing about this is, you know, they can have free migration, right? So you can have Let System.io help you migrating all your sales funnels, everything else from whatever it is to the System.io, and it's free once if you are on the unlimited that. Other things people, if you want a discount, subscribe to their annually, and then you get a 30% discount on it. Now, like I said, my affiliate link is on the description. Sign up for links. That's in a nutshell my System.io comprehensive review. Overall, it's pretty good. I've started bringing all my business into System.io. I've started with their free plan, and I'm slowly moving up to the other one. Now it's people who wanted to start it with the free plan. You have nothing to lose. You don't even need to put your credit card in. And pretty good overall. I give 2 thumbs up to System.io, and hope you guys take my word for it. So if you're still interested, link is in the description. Click the link and start your journey with System.io.